Hello and aloha, Unity Port Richey. This is Reverend Evelyn Foreman, and I am affirming with you divine time. I am so excited to meet with you this weekend and engage you in a conversation about legacy, on who we choose to be and the treasures we'll leave for future generations. Now, legacy isn't what we leave behind. It's about how we live each day. And each one of us has the power to create a lasting impact and inspire those around us, whether it is with our immediate family or in this beautiful sacred community that we're in. We want to build a legacy that endures. And being part of the Port Richey community gives us that support, the support to do just that. So come join me this weekend. Let's come together, share our visions, uplift one another, and be the best version of ourselves, creating a legacy we can all be proud of. I'll see you then.